you guys! It's the Lightning Squad! Here's a show just for you! It's your reward for finishing Story 20! Tremendous job! Are you ready to show everyone what you've learned?
Yes!
Then let's get started!
This is my sister. What's your name? Isabella. We are gonna have a scavenger hunt for the most L's. L. L. Let's go! It is a globe, the Gulf of Mexico. I found love. Owl. Boot, boot. Dismissal here, 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 and here. Big L, small L. Purple, white, like lock. Now, Faith is coming to write more words while I think of some. Lollipop. 2 L's, like my name. My desk is very full. Pencil sharpener, rulers, a rubber band ball. These are some plants. Shelf. 12. It looks like a mini palm tree. It's my favorite too. This is our celebration corner. Binoculars. Telescope, you're out of this world. Seal of approval. Elevator. Right now, there's only one person talking, so in the background, it is silent.
What is this? Oh, so many letters. This needs Finger Detective! Finger Detective, cover up the ending, and I'll sound out the first part. S, p, I, o. S, p, I, o. Spill. D. Spilled. Spilled! I got it! It's spilled! I wonder what spilled. I shall look in the bucket and see what spilled. Oh, it spilled glue. I did it again.
What's the game today?
I don't know.
Oh, how about saying everything in the past tense?
Like adding ed, ed, to the end of every word.
Watch this. I acted like a donkey.
Oh, nice. Oh, okay, I got one.
You snorted like a pig. Nice snort, okay?
Meowed like a cat. Okay, how about this one?
Ooh, trumpeted like an elephant.
You know it.
Be good, I'll be back soon. Pets Home Alone!
I feel silly. Why are we dressed like dogs?
For the Woof Woof Crunchy Yummy Dog Food Contest. If I direct the best commercial, we win a year's supply of dog food.
But I eat cat food.
You'll get used to it. Here's the script. And action.
All dog food is good.
But this dog food is the best.
Cut. Donnie, the word this is in italics.
Oh, italics.
So?
That means you have to stress that word when you read it. Really make it stand out. Action.
All dog food is good.
But this dog food is the best.
Cut. Donnie, nice job stressing the italics. But you don't have to stress the word that much. Let's try this one more time, okay?
All right, Fuzzball.
Action.
All dog food is good.
But this dog food is the best.
No more dog food. I'm a cat.
Give yourself a huge round of applause for all you've learned. So long for now. See you next time.